We're here in Utrecht to interview Ton Peeters about his research.
Welcome.
Hey, can you briefly introduce yourself?
My name is Ton Peeters and I work at Utrecht University and I'm a molecular biologist of plants.
So, what is it exactly that you do?
Actually, that's quite complicated to explain because what we look at in this department is how plants react to stress, and it's my task to isolate the genes that are involved in that. These machines are PCR machines, polymerase chain reaction. Here we can amplify small pieces of DNA. So we can start with one single strand of DNA and end up with millions. In this room, we can separate DNA. As you can see here, we make holes in a kind of gel, and it's the same stuff that is used for jelly pudding. And we can put a current on this gel, and then the DNA will move to one of the poles. And this is the laboratory where the actual work takes place. Here, PhD students, postdocs, technicians have their own place, and they have their own set of pipettes, and they do their research.
So is it that you have a special interest in plants, or is it just a coincidence that you ended up here?
I saw some animal biology, and that involved killing animals, and I didn't want to do that, so that's why I ended up working with plants. I don't mind killing plants.
What is the role of genetic modification in your research?
We try to identify genes that are involved in the process we study, and we use those genes to modify them a little bit and bring them back into the plants, to make transgenic plants that can survive longer in low light or under submerged conditions.
What would happen in the environment if one of your modified plants would escape?
I don't think anything would happen. The plant will eventually die because they're used to laboratory environment.
I think Oscar got lost. I'll find him. Oscar? Oh my God!
How do you hope the world will look in 100 years thanks to your research?
What I hope in 100 years is that research is at such a point that we can actually understand what is going on in cells, and we can actually build cells of our own and make our own crops that they can grow everywhere.
Oh, by the way, is it possible to combine the genes of a plant and a human and create some kind of zombie?
No, that's virtually impossible.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
That boy is a monster.